Mr. Speaker, I would just like to make a manifestation to set the record straight regarding the issues raised by my fellow representative from Batangas on the alleged issues that were narrated. First, while this representation recognizes the importance of legislative oversight, I believe that it is equally important that information shared in this plenary is accurately based on facts, not assumptions, not insinuations, and certainly not on incomplete information. Hindi po dapat ginagamit ang plenaryong ito upang lahad ng mga haka-haka o paratang na walang sapat na basehan. On the alleged ties between Congressman Edwin Gadiola and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, their association is purely professional, as Congressman Gadiola is also a member of the House of Representatives and a fellow Batangueño. There are no personal interests involved, but only a shared commitment to fulfill their duties to their constituents. Walang katotohanan ang mga alegasyon ni Congressman Leviste na mayroon silang may mga maanomalyang transaksyon. Fake news po yan, Mr. Speaker. This representation is not privy to the motives of my colleague from the 1st District of Batangas, but let it be known, hindi po tayo basta-basta nagpapadala sa mga inimbentong issue dahil alam po natin kung ano ang katotohanan dito. In fact, I will not stand idly by and let these so-called facts be presented as truth. Let it be a reminder that Executive Secretary Ralph Recto has served as congressman and senator for decades, representing not only Batangas, but also the broader interests of the Filipino. And same goes for Governor Vilma Santos Recto. Mr. Speaker, and to all my colleagues here and to the general public, let us just focus on the facts and let us uphold the process. And most of all, let us keep our focus on our constituents and serve them with integrity. And on the subject of VAT, pagdebatihan po natin yan dito sa Kongreso. It is not the job of the executive, but our job as legislators, and we're always open for that. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.